If you didn't have to worry about the time it takes to renovate on purpose, imagine just how many more deals you could source, or how many more areas you could consider expanding to, how many less Tums you would have to take, or less energy drinks you would have to consume. There's a reason why, I'll be honest with you, why all of the big funds, I work for the largest REITs in the industry, why they have whole divisions dedicated to renovations, turns, and project management. Here's why: boots on the ground matter more than you could ever possibly imagine. Because renovating on purpose, it takes dedicated attention. Another reason why they have the whole like systems and teams built there is because it takes actual people to hold vendors, quality, timeframes, material spend, labor to actually hold that accountable. It takes somebody's dedicated attention. But here's the sad part about that, or maybe it's the obvious part, is that takes an enormous investment.